Hello, I will introduce you to the Soda application. Soda is an application that looks like Excel but is much more practical. Like in Excel, you have the possibility of changing the size of the columns. You also have the possibility of sorting the columns by clicking on them. You can also find an item anywhere with a single click. The other benefit that you don't necessarily see is that you can share your data in real time with anyone in the world. When you make changes, all you have to do is click on a line and the changes are noted in a blog here where you have all the history of your data. That's it for the first part. Soda instantly adapts to all your existing documents. Go to Tools at the bottom right and ask for the Export toolbox. Ask for New Data File and it will delete the current data and look for any Excel file and others. I have a file here. I open it and it will create a database for me with precisely the file data, as you can see. I will now show you how we include labels with Soda. So we choose a product and select the print button. We can also print on book and printers. You can use 10 to 4 label sheets. This is how your label comes out in the end with the information you printed. What do we do with these labels next? We will read them. Here is a barcode reader. It is wired. I connect it to my PC. I put myself on my PC in receive mode. So scan it opens a window where I decide if the scans will be entries, if it's stock management or modifications. So there we will start making changes. When I scan a badge, imagine that it is a visitor or something else. After I scan the badge, it puts me directly on the visitor where I can make the changes or my registration. With this kind of process, we can make access controls, we can do inventory management. You can of course enter and exit any product, and the processing associated with the detection of the scan in the database is of course fully configurable. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.